Hey guys, what's up? How are you all doing? So clearly it's one of my last days in Ahmedabad. Sorry for the disturbance if it is coming out from there. And I am basically shifting in back to Lucknow. I'm pretty excited for that because I'm going to visit my family for a little time longer and I'm gonna enjoy it. So those of you who don't know me, this is Shruti Kirti. I am the person who runs beauty and makeup vlogs, and a lot of videos are made that is catered around skincare, fashion, beauty, etc. So as the video suggests and as the title suggests, I am going to talk about my favorite things that I have finished, my favorite empty things that are basically catered around skincare, no makeup, because I have broken two makeup eyeshadow palettes over the time and I'm not feeling good about it. I'm just discovering what to do with it. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you're gonna just understand that my skin is really very combination type. It is dry and oily, so it does suit to all those people who have dry and oily skin both. And whatever skincare products that I'm gonna show you, they are basically used by me over a period of 1 month, and these are all empty and I've been using them extensively, and I'm gonna give you a really honest review about how it works, what are the benefits, does it work for you, is it worth the buy. Also a little disclaimer, the products that gonna suit me may or may not suit you. So one more thing, some products, like 1 or 2 products I did not like, so I'm gonna leave a review, or something that is not something I really like and I'm not gonna recommend that to you. So yeah, keep that in mind and let's jump directly to the video. Okay guys, so basically the first thing that I'm gonna talk you through is this Revital Lift. This is by L'Oreal Paris. I have finished this and it's almost it's gone, like it's just 1-2 drops that is popping out. I have finished this up. It took me around 3 to 4 months to finish this whole bottle. It retails for around 1300 bucks. It is one of the most amazing things I have ever tried. You know, it's been 3 to 4 months, I'm not gonna lie about it. It just spreads evenly on your skin. It hydrates your skin, plumps your skin, also prepares your skin for the nourishment, for the serum that you're gonna take up, and then the moisturizer. So I have been using it since 4 months. It is one of my favorite products and go-to products. I've also purchased a very small bottle of it because I was just moving out from here and I did not want to buy something really huge because it'd be very hard to carry on while you're traveling. So this is something that I have been purchasing across months and I'm gonna loving it. And I'm gonna just recently tried this Revital Lift high hyaluronic acid and it is not really working out for me. I don't know for what reason. It's one of the most amazing things people are saying they are having, and I'm gonna just give it out a test and just use it for a bit of time to basically understand how it works. For this particular solution, I am in love with this packaging because it actually tells you how much product is left out. It spreads evenly, also goes around 10 layers of the skin. I don't know about that fact, but yes, it has eventually made my skin more brighter, plumper. No pore issue is there, no pigmentation is there, and also I'm loving it. And with the price it comes, it is quite affordable. For around 799 bucks. 300 grams of solution. It says it has a lot of amazing things out of it. Sometimes it also surprises me because it also says that it works for fine lines and wrinkles, but it did not. I mean, I have been using it. I have emptied this bottle and with no results. I am so sorry for the brand, I am so sorry for the product, but this did not suit me at all. I've also finished the face wash, the retinol one, and it did not work out for me. I mean, that face wash did not even lather, which is okay. I mean, so many good products don't lather around your skin. It's okay for that. But the kind of cleanliness, the kind of stickiness, the oil should go off to your skin and you should feel refreshed. rejuvenated. Your skin should feel plumper, and you know, all sorts of good things should be felt after you use your face wash. It did not happen with me. I was so sad about it because I've been using it with no results. So I have finished this bottle and it did not work out for me. If it worked out for you, do let me know in the comment section below. How did you use it? What kind of skin do you have? What kind of texture do you have? And in how many months did it actually proven the benefit? Because I've been using it since past 2 months and without any results. Vitamin C. It has 20% vitamin C in it. It is basically purchased by me. All of these products are purchased by me. None of the brand has actually given it to me apart from this Mama Derma cream. Mama Derma serum. It came in a PR. Apart from that, all of it was purchased, and I have been using it since past 3 to 4 months, and I'm gonna give you the honest review of it. So coming back to the Dermaco vitamin C solution, I have a little bit of it left out. So I just thought let's try and give the review because I've been using it. It's been more than 25 to 30 days and I just love the texture. If you want to see the kind of texture this product really has, it is very much thick. It sticks around to your skin, and it's sort of, you have to dab it to your skin. It makes your skin quite hydrating. You can also apply a moisturizer over it. I am using my sunscreen also over it, and it is kind of giving me a lot of benefit in terms of skincare. So I am using I am using the vitamin C serums since 3 to 4 months. I used one earlier. I don't remember the name of the product. I might link it over here. And I used this one as the second one, and I'm pretty much happy with this. It has no harmful chemicals in it. Also, the ingredients you have to check, as I told you about EDTA and about the alcohol. It does not have any in it. Also, the ascorbic acid it has is amazing for your skin. So yes, thumbs up for this kind of a product. So I have a bit of a solution left out from this collagen moisturizer, and I'm gonna show you how it feels like. It is such a gel-like texture. Thank God it is left. It's like a gel-like texture. See how amazingly it goes to your skin. It just helps you in a lot of hydration. It just mixes up with your skin. That is one of the amazing parts basically. And it is gel-like, so if you have very oily skin, you need not worry because it just spreads out evenly, hydrates your skin, leaving it very moisturized, hydrated, and a lot less cakey and less greasy, and at all actually not greasy. Cream-like, gel-like texture is really refreshing, and at the same time is really, you know, non-sticky on that surface. Because if you have very oily skin, you might feel heaviness when you apply a lot of moisturizer, or very thick moisturizer. If you apply, you might feel that, oh my god, I should not apply it. Especially in the men out there, they think that, okay, if that is something very heavy on my skin, I'm not gonna apply because I'm gonna get a lot of pimples out there. So that is a misconception. You need to get out of it. If you apply gel-like moisturizers, it's gonna be very effective, and this one is one of the most amazing products I have been trying. Also, the last but not the least is this Olay Retinol Moisturizer. It's basically a serum, comes in with the moisturizer, the Olay moisturizer. I have been using after I got this in a PR. So I got this in a PR, I finished it up, and then I again purchased it, and then I used it for 2 months, and I am quite impressed with the kind of texture it has. Makes my skin very hydrated. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I feel my skin really nice. I mean, I am so much happy by getting such good results on my skin. There are no bumps, no dryness around my nose area. It's a lot of dryness over there. There are no dryness obviously, and my skin feels fresh. It feels rejuvenated. It feels alive. That is one of the most important things for me when I wake up in the morning, because I need to have my skin perfect. I need to feel good. I need to be good in the morning, and this particular thing just makes me feel that. It does not forget to make me feel amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is something that I recently discovered, is one of my favorite out there. It's one of the lists that I have been, stocking up, and these are the empties that I will stock up in my near future. And I'm gonna tell you that if you have a combination skin, and if you have a very very oily skin texture, this and dry texture also, it works with both. So these all things will work amazingly well, apart from this little bit of sorry figure. I did not like it. I'm sorry, Mama Dharma. I know you make amazing products, but this one is, I couldn't do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for joining me in this video. And as you can see, I am moving, shifting in. That's why a lot of things in the background. And this is one of the looks I created on my Instagram for the Pride community. So do check it out if you want to feel like, if you want to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, stay home, and do not forget to keep subscribing.